You want to know how to check out your card collection in Coin Master? Well, no worries. Card collections are important. It's like an album of your memories. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get through it and check it out. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you need to make sure you are under your village level 3. So if you don't, or if you aren't in village level 3, you need to upgrade it. So we have also created a video on how to upgrade your village levels. So make sure to watch it. So once you are under the interface, so you should either be under your village or on the spinner. So if you're on your spinner, on the bottom left side, you'd already be seeing this card icon right here. You can just simply like that. Or if you're on your village, on the top right side, you should be seeing this menu icon right here. Just simply like that. And here you should be seeing cards. So it should be right below news, just simply like that. And now once you click the bed, after a while, your cards album should load on a new interface. So as you can see right here, your blooming album, it's all locked because I need to also reach level 3 for that. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.